Hello friends, today I am going to show you two bandhej kurtis from Amazon. The first one is this nice red color kurti I bought from Amazon. This is from the brand of Adoro. This is a set of this red kurti and a white pant. You can see this white pant is in set with this kurti. I bought it for rupees 629 and free delivery is available. I bought the medium size, that is the least size available there. The material is rayon. They are recommending hand wash and not to brush or bleach. Material is very soft and I'm showing you the bandhej print prominently. I'm showing you, and you can see the design of the sleeves. They can given this kind of bell sleeves, and two strings are attached with the sleeves. This bell sleeves, and you can see the attached strings, white colored strings with the sleeves, and the same kind of strings are attached with the waists also. And the red color is very nice. It's neither too bright and nor too light. This can be best suitable for any party, festivals, for college students, etc. You can see the red color. I'm showing you the bandhej design. I'm trying to show you the bandhej design closely. And the material of the pant is also rayon. Very soft material, very comfortable. I'll give you the link in the description box. The second kurti is this blue Lahariya bandhej kurti. This is 100% cotton. The material is 100% cotton, and this is also very comfortable and very soft material. In a very nice blue color, this Lahariya bandhej print is given. I'm trying to show you the print closely, and you can see the design at the neckline. They have given this gotapatti lace and wooden button, and on the sleeves also gotapatti laces are attached. This is from the brand Fashion Cloud. I bought it only for 399 rupees and I got free delivery. The kurti is a knee length kurti. This is only a kurti, no pant is there with it. A knee length kurti for regular use with 3/4 sleeves. And the design of the neck is, it is a boat neck. They are recommending only hand wash for it and do not brush or bleach. You can see the whole kurti. I'm trying to show you. The blue color is very gorgeous, very nice. And the material, if you touch, you will understand material is too comfortable. And it's a very, economic buy for me, because I'm telling you only for 399 rupees. I bought it, and also no carriage charge. I got free delivery. I'll give the link of the product here. You can try it. Thank you.